gonna unlock the secrets of getting success with Systeme.io. And you can see this is funnel, and that funnel actually I replicated from this site, and he, he just wanted me to replicate this site because he liked that design, not the brand. You can choose the brand because the copycat will be. So I will replicate that, and you can see the full funnel setup. It look like similar your template. So you same as it, like even the font style, everything is same. So even he asked for the same style, not the different one, little bit, so it doesn't look completely same. So if you have anywhere your pages that you want to replicate on Systeme.io, then I can do that with very affordable price. And if you already upgrade on my services, I mean, if you already upgrade from my affiliate links, and then you will get, like you can see I have 8 leads, they will get the free services. So if you want free services, that you need to buy the Systeme.io any price from my affiliate link, and you will get this service for free, this one. And like this one, this service for free, like 5 pages sales funnel script, you will get the free for that. You don't need to pay for $80, so you get free service on that, and this is enough for run your business. So this is all about, if you're really interested, you can buy Systeme.io from my URL, and a link will be in descriptions. Also, you can, if you already bought that, you can get $80 services, quality services. I always believe in quality. If you are looking for quality services, then I will be the best person for you. If you are not, if you are looking for something really unnecessary things, like really, then I'm not the best guy. Like, still, like this kind of pages, like it will take like one day, not more than one day. I still going up with some projects. So if you're interested, you can hire me, or you can buy the Systeme.io from my link. I don't mind. I will give you free services. Also, you can see I describe everything what you will get, and it will work functionally. All right, and you will obviously gonna get leads, sales, lots of things. So this is all about. Even I set up my customer's account. She had 125 leads, so this is crazy, right? So if you're interested, contact with me. Or if you, I mean, if you buy from my link, you will get free services. Here's the another thing, like, let me show you. If you want to, if you upgrade from here, let me show you. If you upgrade $97 monthly, I will provide you full free functionality setup for you, one project for free. Let's say you have a course and you want to run your course, you're a vocal coach or self-development coach, and you want to run your courses, I will set up your entire courses for free. All right, if you buy $97, if you set up, I will set up anything for free over here. All right, so if you're interested, you can buy from my affiliate links, and if you buy these things, I mean $47, $27, you get this service for free. It will take not more than 3 days, depending on how long you take to provide the content materials. And yeah, then, and if you are not able to afford that, like, if you think Systeme.io is way more expensive for you, you can buy this package from me. It's a very super affordable, like $5 monthly. You just need to add $60, and you can buy a website, one page website for 1 years. If you have the domain, let's say many people have domains but they can't afford to set up their website on different kind of platforms. So what is difference between mine and others? You will get SEO, you will get the services for free that cost 80 to $100. So you don't need to pay additional for SEO, on-site SEO. You don't need to pay anything for additionally connect your domain and with my hosting, and you're getting free hosting and you will get free SSL. So you are saving a lot of money with $60 1 year. It's way more enough for running a business. So if you have a CRM, you can embed the CRM forms on my site. So this is all about. If you're interested, hit me up. You can go with this one, or you can go with this one, or you can go with this one. No problem. Have a great day and stay safe.